What if your car could call you the second something happens, even when you are miles away? Or better yet, what if your dashcam didn't just record accidents, but protect your car 24/7 with real-time alerts? Today we're checking out the DDPAI Z60 Dash Cam 4G. And this isn't your typical dashcam. This one comes packed with 4G connectivity, smart remote access, real-time notification, and high-quality recording that could completely change how to protect your vehicle. Whether you're parked on the street, in an apartment complex, or just want peace of mind while driving, this might be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Let's unbox it, set it up, and see if the DDPAI Z60 4G is actually worth it. And this is what it comes inside of the box. And this camera is pretty cool. Let me show you. This is the DDPAI Z60 2-channel dashcam. This is a 4K dashcam, and also it comes with a 4G antenna. So this one you can check it out anywhere with your phone. That's amazing. But let's start with this side first. These are the things that come inside of this box. So it comes with the manual, this one, 2 stickers to place the camera, the front and the rear, a 60 gig micro SD card, trim tool, cigarette lighter connection with USB-A connection, 2 of them for the power, 2 extra stickers, the rear view camera, cool, with the extension cable for the rear view camera, the power cable, and the camera. So it's pretty cool. It's a 4K camera. Ooh, nice. So it has a screen on the back. The front is the camera. On the side, you can put the micro SD card. Here is the slot. On the bottom, a vent for cooling. Here the rear camera connection and the power connection on this side. On this area, there's the screen and the menu buttons on the bottom. And this is what it comes inside of the other box. Comes with the extra sticker, this pin to remove the 4G card. It comes with a 4G card. You can insert it on the antenna and activate it. The manual how to do it, and this is the antenna. Pretty cool. So you can stick it anywhere to get the signal. That's cool. In here, that's the slot to put the 4G card and the connection for the antenna. Cool. And this is everything that comes inside the box. Okay, everything is connected. So this one, the antenna, the 4G antenna, what basically is that you can see the camera view anywhere at any time, and you can turn on the camera view with this one with your phone. But there's a subscription that you have to pay every month if you want this option. But you can get also just the option of the dashcam. So now let's see how it works. Okay, now everything is connected. This is the power, and this is the rear camera. But the antenna, the 4G antenna, it connects to the power cable. All right, so everything is connected. So let's turn it on. Let's turn on the switch. So this one is not a touchscreen, so you have to click on the buttons here on the bottom. So the first one is to see the videos, recorded videos and the screenshots and the emergency locked videos. Okay, if you click on the first one, you have the videos right there, and you can watch each video. In a little bit, we're gonna see how to download the videos, but that's how to view the videos. The next one is for the locked videos, and the other one is for the screenshots. Okay, let's go back. And then the next one is for the settings, the camera settings. We're gonna check those out in a little bit. Okay, this one, the third one, is for the audio. You can turn it on and off right there. Okay, and the last one is to switch the camera from the rear camera or the front camera with this one. Okay, so let's see the settings. Let's check it out. The first one, video settings. The duration of the video, boom, 10 seconds, 20, 30 seconds, or close. Okay, so it is 10 seconds, so I'm gonna leave it in that. The next one is the resolution. Resolution, boom, 4K, 24 frames per second. We're gonna leave it on that one. Cool. Let's go back. The next one is the video encoding, H.64. I'm gonna leave it on that. Next one is the watermark settings. You can remove or keep the time or the speed. I'm gonna leave it like that. And the next one, that's it. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the video settings. That's the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. You have right there the password and the name. Okay, cool. Next one, Wi-Fi power save. Okay, you can turn it on and off right there. The next one is the brightness. I'm gonna leave it in high. AOD time. Let's see. I think it's for the screen. You can keep it 30 seconds or on. Let's leave it on all the time for now. the animation, it has like a nice animation, like a face. This one, that's nice. So you can, I think you can do it like this, the animation, the time, the clock, or disable. I think I'm gonna leave it on the time, it's better. Cool, okay. And then the next one, time settings. Set the time or format the time. For now, I think it's fine. Let's go back. Language, English, that's fine. The speed unit, miles per hour, but you can change it. You want it for kilometers per hour, you can change it there. Anti-flicker, 60 Hertz, I have it. I'm gonna leave it in that one. And that's it for this one. Let's go back. The next one is the parking monitoring. Boom. For a parking monitoring, you need a hard wiring kit. Okay, right now I'm using the secret light connection, but you can change it there. Cool. Next one, smart assistance. Okay, collision sensitivity. It will, okay, sensitivity is low sensitivity. I have it in low. The parking sensitivity, I have it in medium. It's okay. When the car is parked and I feel something hits the car, it will lock the video. That's good. And then the advanced driving assistance system alert. Okay, you can turn it on and off in there. The fatigue driving también, you can turn it on and off there. It will let you know that you are driving like a 6 axis or something like that. The voice control, you can turn it on and off in there. That's it for this one. Let me see if I have something. Oh, the sound settings. Boom. Check it out. Power on, prompt on. When the thing starts, it's on. Recording, overlay audio, the recording, speaker volume. Right now I have it closed, but you can turn it on in here. Okay, if you want the sound. For now I'm gonna leave it like that. And now let's download the app and let's see how to download the videos. Okay, now we're ready. The Wi-Fi is already on. You can see it there. Okay, so here you have to download this app, DDPAI. Cool. Find Bluetooth, allow. Boom, boom. Okay. This is the location while using app. Notifications. Okay, allow for now. Then add device. Right here, pair. It's connecting. Oh, it has a button on the side. We have to authorize this thing. What is it? Oh, here, authorize. Boom. All right. Beginner's guide, not now. Enter device. Boom. Go to connection. The Wi-Fi is not connecting. Let's see. Okay, let's connect it to the Wi-Fi. This one, DDPAI Z60. And then the Wi-Fi password is on the screen of the camera. It's basically all the numbers on the top. Boom. Connect. It's connecting. It's connected. Cool. Then allow to find devices. Okay, allow. Allow full access. Okay. Okay, this one you have to move it like that to see the video. Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, enable. Okay, and this is the app. It's in HD in the video right here. Okay, to see the videos, you have to move this thing and drag it like this. Have to drag it like that to watch the previous videos. Okay, that's cool. On the top is the settings. In here, the data track, if you want to see like the map or everything, but let's see on the bottom. On the bottom, it has the videos. Okay, that's cool. That's easier for me. So you can select the video in here, and then on the bottom, you can download it here. So it's pretty quick. So that's how to download the videos. It's super simple. It has the recorded videos, the snapshots, the emergency, the locked videos, but I don't have nothing right now because I just installed it. That's cool. And this one, if you want to download a special video, just drag this one and hit download and you can download the video. Okay, now let's check the settings here on the top corner on the right side. But these are all the settings that we already saw on the videos. That's upload capture videos, upload emergency photos. Okay, the volume of the speaker. So let's put it a little bit. Yeah, it's too loud. I don't like it too loud. That's good. Okay, start up sound. If you want it, you can turn it on and off in here. The local volume control, the ADAS. Okay, you can check it out here. Turn it on and off if you want. Okay, the video encoding, resolution 4K, microphone, turn it on and off, the rear video recording with audio. Ooh. The rear video recording with audio overlay. That's cool. Ooh, that's good. All right, but you can put the time lapse is on, display speed, duration of the related video is 10 seconds. 10 seconds, I think it's too small for 10 seconds. Let's leave it in 30 seconds. Cool. And then the anti-flicker 60 Hertz. Parking monitoring, you need a hard wiring kit for that. Wi-Fi, the device, the password, you can change the Wi-Fi password, the set test of the 4G function. Let's see. Normal is normal. Oof, okay, that's cool. So that means that we can use it even from far away from the car. That's amazing for the 4G. Okay, then go back. Boom. And then manage device storage. That's the storage that I'm using on the camera, and you can format the SD card right now, but I don't want to do it. That's cool. So that's everything for the app. It's super simple to use. Let's see if you want to switch the screen. In here in the top corner on the right side you can switch it, but it takes time. And then like that. The video quality here looks nice. Okay, now let's see how to connect the app to the 4G connection. I already did the most important thing. The first thing, you have to create an account to log in. And after it's logged in, the camera, it has to have the hardwiring kit. I'm using the OBD hardwiring kit, but you can get whatever you want for the hardwiring kit, okay? So now it says here, it's in the parking monitor, okay? So here in the app, it says 4G remote guard, 4G. So these are the options that you have for that. Okay, the first one is the live view. Amazing. And I'm inside of my house and I'm watching the camera of the car. And you can see the rear too. That's amazing. So for the 4G subscription, they will give you 90 days free. After 90 days, you have to pay the subscription. They have different options, but they have like 3 options for data that you want, so you can check that. But the first 3 months are free. So in here, you can take a screenshot in this button, and the other one is you can talk. You can speak to the camera. If somebody's inside of the car, you can say, "Hey, get out of my car or move." And you can record here if you want to just make a special video. That's cool. And it has a car location. Okay, that's cool. And this is the live view. That's the first option. The second option is the car location, but I don't want to show the location of my car, but you can hit that one. It's going to open a map and it's going to show you where is your car. Cloud Album is going to have the videos that you record. If somebody walks by the car, it will record a video and it's going to be stored here. And this one is the geofence. You can turn off or on that. You can turn it on in here, and you can select how much range you want for the car. That's cool. Or your home, same thing. That's cool. 4 kilometers, and then it will send you a notification if something is close to your car. That's cool. And the last one is the manage data. Okay, and in here are the subscription options. $7.99 for 10 gigabytes of storage. And the second option is $39.99 for 60 gigabytes of storage. I think this is 30 days and this is 180 days, okay? 365 days of storage for $74.99. Okay, those are the 3 options. Oh yeah, they have more. They have a lot of options. So you can pick the one that works best for you. And this is the SIM card, profile, and everything. That's cool. And that's everything for the 4G option. I think it's great. If you leave your car, maybe you have like a truck or something that you leave far away, this is a very, very good option for that, because you can go to the live view and check if somebody's in front of your car, and also it will send you notifications if somebody's walking around your car. That's amazing. You can switch the camera for the front and the rear camera. It is great. Cool. So now let's see the resolution of the videos from the day and the night. For that, let's see it right now. Okay, now let's see the day view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. It's sharp and clear. the surroundings, we can see everything. We can see the car, what kind of car it is, the license plate, everything is sharp and clear. So for the front camera, it is great, and you can see super clean and clear. The glare of the sun, it doesn't affect that much. So for the front camera, looks great. Alright, and now it's time to see the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution, but as you can see, even that is 1080p, everything is visible. You can see the cars, you can see the license plate, even the buildings around, the streets, everything is visible. So even that is 1080p, I think is great for the day view. The brightness, the cars, everything is pretty good. I can see it for the rear camera. So for the rear camera, it is great. Alright, now it's time for the night view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution, but as you can see, this one has night vision too. In the 4K resolution, is amazing. Everything, it looks super clear. You can see the cars, the colors of the cars, even the lights, the glare of the lights, it doesn't affect the camera, because usually cameras at night, the glare of the cars affect a little bit, but this one for the front camera in 4K is amazing. And now let's see the night view for the rear camera. It's a 1080p resolution, and as you can see, this one also has night vision. It looks great too. So I'm amazed that this one has the night vision, because usually rear cameras, they struggle a lot at night. Even when 1080p resolution, they struggle a lot more. But this one looks great, it looks sharp. The cars, I can see what kind of car it is, even the color, the license plate. So for the rear camera, it's pretty good. I like it. So after testing the DDPAI Z60 Dash Cam 4G, I really like what this camera offers, especially the 4G connectivity. Being able to get real-time alerts and check on your car from your phone adds a whole new level of security. The video quality is clear day and night. The features feel modern, and overall, it just gives that extra peace of mind when you're driving or parked. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I'll put the link right down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any question about the DDPAI Z60 4G. I'll see you on the next one.